In this video, I will show you how to scrape Bloomberg News articles by category using Apify. The scraper can extract articles from any Bloomberg category you choose: technology, markets, economics, politics, business, and more. In this example, we will scrape the AI category. You will get structured data, including headlines, authors, publication dates, article URLs, topic labels, and more. Let's get started. First, go to Bloomberg.com and navigate to the category you want to scrape. For this example, open the AI category page at bloomberg.com/AI. Once the page loads, copy the URL from your browser. Now go to Apify and search for Bloomberg Category News Scraper. Open the actor page. Paste the Bloomberg category URL into the input field. Next, set the maximum number of items to scrape. In this example, let's set it to 10. Then click Start. The scraper will load the category page, extract the article data, and store the results in a structured dataset. Once the run finishes, open the dataset to see the results. Each record contains the headline, author, category, topic label, publication date, article URL, and more. You can export the dataset as CSV, JSON, or Excel. Use this data for market intelligence, sentiment analysis, investment research, or to build AI training datasets with high-quality financial news content. The link to the actor is in the video description. Thanks for watching.